Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Glow Up podcast. I'm Luna.
And I'm Zay. We're so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, this podcast is the perfect place to improve your English step by step. We use simple words, easy sentences, and real-life conversations.
Exactly. If you are a beginner or pre-intermediate learner, this is for you. No stress, just practice and grow.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
Yes, let's grow together and improve our English every day.
So, today's topic is something very important and very personal.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about family.
Talk about your family. Daily life vocabulary in English.
This is a very useful topic. You can use it in daily conversations, school, work, or even when meeting new people.
Yes, because one of the first questions people ask is, "Tell me about your family."
So today, we will help you answer that question with confidence.
Let's start with a simple question. What is a family?
Good question. A family is a group of people who are related to each other.
Yes, they can live together or sometimes live in different places.
Family members support each other, love each other, and care for each other. Let's start with the most common ones.
Repeat after me, everyone.
Father,
Mother,
brother.
sister.
These are your close family members.
Yes, we also call them immediate family. Let's make a simple sentence. I have one brother.
Or, I have two sisters.
Very easy, right?
Let's try another one. My father is a teacher.
My mother is a housewife.
Good. Keep practicing these simple sentences.
Now let's talk about extended family.
These are family members outside your immediate family.
Like grandparents,
Yes. Repeat after me.
grandfather.
Grandmother,
We also have
uncle,
aunt.
cousin.
Let's try a sentence. I visit my grandparents on weekends.
I have many cousins.
My uncle lives in another city.
Great job.
Now let's talk about how big your family is.
You can say, I have a small family.
Or, I have a big family.
Simple and clear.
You can also say, there are 4 people in my family.
Let's break it down.
There are equals number.
People equals family members. There are 5 people in my family.
There are 3 people in my family. Now let's learn how to introduce your family.
You can say, my father's name is Ravi.
My mother's name is Anjali.
My brother's name is Kevin.
Very good.
Next, we can talk about age.
You can say, my sister is 10 years old.
My father is 45 years old.
Easy pattern. Name plus is plus age, plus years old.
My brother is 20 years old.
My mother is 38 years old. Now let's talk about jobs.
Jobs are very important in conversation.
Yes. You can say, my father is a doctor.
My mother is a teacher.
My brother is a student.
My sister is a nurse.
My uncle is a driver.
My aunt is a businesswoman.
Now let's talk about feelings.
How do you feel about your family?
You can say, I love my family.
My family is very important to me.
My family makes me happy.
My parents support me.
I feel happy with my family.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
Now let's talk about daily life.
What do you do with your family?
You can say, I eat dinner with my family.
I watch TV with my family.
I talk with my parents every day.
I play with my brother.
I help my mother.
I go shopping with my father.
Now let's do a small conversation.
Yes. Listen carefully. Tell me about your family.
I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
And your mother?
She is a housewife.
Nice. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Try to practice this conversation with a friend.
Or speak alone. That is also okay. Let's review what we learned.
Family members. Father, mother, brother, sister.
Extended family. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Talking about family. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family.
Talking about jobs. He is a teacher. She is a doctor.
Talking about feelings. I love my family. My family makes me happy.
Now let's learn how to describe personality.
Personality means how a person is.
Yes, let's learn some easy words.
Repeat after us.
Kind,
Friendly,
funny,
strict,
hardworking.
quiet.
My mother is kind.
My father is hardworking.
My brother is funny.
My sister is quiet.
You can also say very.
For example,
My mother is very kind.
my father is very strict.
Now let's talk about habits.
Habits are things we do every day.
Yes, listen and repeat.
My father wakes up early.
My mother cooks every day.
My brother plays games.
My sister studies a lot.
My parents watch TV at night.
My family eats dinner together. Now let's describe daily routine.
Use simple present tense.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I have breakfast with my family.
I go to school.
In the evening, I spend time with my family.
In the morning, my mother makes tea.
In the evening, my father comes home.
Now let's talk about free time.
What do you do with your family on weekends?
You can say, I watch movies with my family.
I go out with my family.
We visit relatives.
We eat together.
We go to the park.
We travel together.
Let's talk about special days
Like birthdays.
or festivals.
You can say, we celebrate birthdays.
We celebrate New Year.
We have a party.
We eat special food.
My family celebrates my birthday.
We enjoy festivals together. Now let's talk about feelings again, but deeper.
Yes, more natural sentences.
My parents help me.
My family supports me.
I feel safe with my family.
My family gives me advice.
I trust my parents.
I respect my family.
Let's do a longer conversation now.
Listen and try to repeat. Tell me more about your family.
My family is small. There are 4 people.
What are they like?
My mother is very kind and friendly.
What about your father?
He is hardworking and a little strict.
Do you spend time together?
Yes, we eat dinner together every day.
What do you do on weekends?
We watch movies and visit relatives.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I love my family very much.
Don't try to speak fast.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough. Let's review today's key phrases.
Personality. Kind. Friendly. Funny. Strict. Hardworking.
Habits. Wakes up early, cooks every day, studies a lot.
Daily life. Eat together. Watch TV. Spend time.
Special days. Celebrate birthdays. Have a party. Eat special food.
Feelings. I love my family. My family supports me. I respect my parents.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this question in the comments.
How many people are in your family, and what do you like to do together?
Try to answer in English.
Amazing work today! You spent time learning how to talk about your family in English, and that is a big step forward.
Yes! You learned useful vocabulary, simple sentence patterns, and how to speak about your real life. This is very important for daily conversations.
Remember, English is not just something you study, it is something you use. So try to use what you learned today in your daily life.
You can start with simple sentences like, I have a small family, or my mother is very kind.
Then slowly add more details. Talk about what your family does, how you feel, and what you enjoy together.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every time you speak, you get better.
Confidence comes from practice, not from being perfect.
Here's a small challenge for you. Today, try to speak about your family for 2 minutes.
Tomorrow, try for 3 minutes.
You can speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, or practice with a friend or family member.
Also, try to listen to English every day. Listening helps you understand better and speak more naturally.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Go step by step and don't rush.
Before you go, we have a question for you.
Who do you spend the most time with in your family? And what do you usually do together?
Try to answer in 2 or 3 sentences in English and write it in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share English Glow Up podcast with your friends.
Let's help more people learn English in a simple and fun way.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking,
keep improving every day.
and keep your English glow up going.
See you in the next episode. Bye!
See you in the next episode. Bye!